Hey everyone, Grant here for the Flame Learning channel. In a previous video, I introduced versioning with the segment connection. This allowed you to create a single segment with content and effects, and duplicate this across multiple sequences in the Reels group. The duplicated segments are linked together, even though they exist in different sequences. Any changes you make to any of the connected segments could be synced and updated in all the other sequences within the Reels group. So this is a great workflow for keeping specific clips synced together in multiple timelines. In Flame 2018, this workflow has been further enhanced by having the ability to duplicate multiple copies of a connected segment in a sequence using the video tracks, and this could be synced with the rest of the sequences. This allows you to keep previous instances of your connected segments as you further develop the content. You could then flick between the video tracks and segments if you had to choose between them. So to illustrate this workflow, I already have my multiple sequences in my sequences reel, and I have already performed the process of creating and duplicating a connected segment, and it's synced across all the sequences. If you don't know how to do this, please go back and watch the video on versioning with the segment connection. Now this is my first version of the connected segment with the graphics, etc. However, the person in charge has requested a second version of the effect because they want a few options to choose from. So we need to keep the first connected segment and create a new one. Select the connected segment and call up the contextual menu. Choose Duplicate Segment Connection. On the video track above, Flame will duplicate the connected segment. If there is no video track above the connected segment, Flame will create a new one. And if the connected segment exists in the middle of a multi-layer composite, a new video track will be inserted above the connected segment in order not to offset or ripple any of the other segments within the multi-layer stack. Next, hide the video track with the original connected segment and edit the new connected segment on the new video track. I'll go ahead and make a few obvious changes. Coming back out to the sequence, you can toggle between the video tracks to choose the version you'd like to use. In order to have the same situation in the rest of the sequences, select the new connected segment and call up the contextual menu. Choose to sync the segment connections. When you switch to the other sequences in the sequences reel, you will see that each sequence has had a new video track added and the connected segment was duplicated. So you can choose which one to use for each sequence. The original connected segment is still linked to the other sequences, and so is the new version of the connected segment. Making changes in either of them can be synced with the rest of the sequences, and the update will be reflected accordingly. Be sure to check out the other features, workflows, and updates to the Flame 2018 products. Comments, feedback, and suggestions are always welcome and appreciated. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the Flame Learning channel for future videos.